Hello people! It's me, Sky!
And me, Georgia.
Right, that guy we mentioned yesterday on the last video, of, the Hill Man, 25, I sent us a message saying, do the burp contest. So what we got to do?
Got lemonade.
Yeah?
You have to go, neck it all.
Right, you can do first.
And then rub the person's back.
And how many times you burp in a minute? So I just need to search on the internet 1 minute timer. So Georgia, keep them company.
And then also, we'd like to give a shout out to LFC 2014 for giving us lots of dares.
Yeah, we'll go do that next video.
Like 10 dares. So
yeah.
we'll give them a shout out on this one and then we'll actually do the real video.
There's a minute countdown.
I won't be able to do this.
Alright, you can nick it now. Who's going first?
Any?
Alright, you go first.
Don't make me laugh.
Oh, fine, then I won't. Done?
No.
I don't. One?
Yeah, I didn't know.
I'm playing.
4.
3.
I just didn't know.
Move forward. Let's just do one. Did you? Yeah, 5.
You have to go like this.
Pronunciation. 6. 5, 4, 3, 7. Yeah!
Thanks for that suggestion, it was so good of you.
Right, my go.
Right, you ready?
Got me lemonade.
Go.
You have to put that, okay?
Okay.
Not yet.
I know.
When I finish drinking it.
By the way, we have an alarm for like timer thing.
That wasn't in 1 minute though, so we've got 7. Right. One sec.
Is it in?
What is that, 7?
7.
7. Yeah, I'm gonna be here.
You can feel it coming, can't you? Is that one? Yeah. Got it all right.
I don't like this feeling.
How's that too?
Yeah! I do silent. Ow. You're making me back. I don't think this is... Stop biting me back!
You done
I
2?
just bit.
3.
I don't think I'm gonna win this. Oh my god, I feel like... Stop babying! I think that was a nickel. I think I just hiccuped. Does that count?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got 4. 4, 4, 4. Ah, you scratched me back. I think you won this. It's over.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, and I just burped right as the time was out. Right,
Okay.
she won.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks for that.
Thanks for the video.
Bye. Thank you.
Comment, subscribe. We've got loads of suggestions.
And LFC 2014 will do a new video next.
Des, thank you.
I keep burping.
Bye.